The year 2021 ended on a high note with PraDigi Creativity Club crossing more than 1 lakh subscribers. And we started the new year of 2022 with a series of workshops with our partner Saturday Art Class.
We're going to take one corner of the paper and we're going to fold it.
आणि इथे खाली तुम्ही स्टेपलर मारू शकता किंवा फेविकॉल लावा.
ఇట్లా గట్టిగా ఫోల్డ్ చేయకండి, దీన్ని ఇట్లా లూజ్ గా వదిలేయాలి.
काव्या आपके ग्रुप में सबने बना लिया है?
जी मैम.
ਅਸੀਂ ਹੁਣ बर्ड ਦੀ लुक देनी है.
ये परिंदे जैसी नजर आ रही है.
These workshops were centered around children learning about the significance of the festivals Makar Sankranti and Republic Day, as well as create their very own eco-friendly tricolor bird kites in celebration of the days.
We wear different types of clothes and our national flag colors.
हमारे स्कूल में
झंडा फहराया जाता है, देश गीत गाए जाते हैं. Paint on our face. Strength and courage. Peace and truth. Athiru mattu samruddhi.
आंदोलन અને પ્રગતિ.
At Saturday Art Class, we believe in the power of art to inculcate social-emotional learning among children, thereby providing them with safe spaces of creative expression and exploration that they need during these trying times that we see ourselves in.
PraDigi Creativity Club exposes children to a variety of art forms, encourages them to think creatively and express themselves, allows experimentation with hands-on activities, and provides a safe platform for exchange of ideas and thoughts. Let the desires, aspirations, and dreams of today's children of India soar as high in the sky as possible.